Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am on this construction site. Will guide you for steel reinforcement details in the construction of floor beam. As you can see, this is its drawing, okay, and first of all I will guide you for this drawing, okay, and also its section, and then guide you for this floor beam practically. So let's get started guys. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, you can see this is beam layout plan of the basement, okay. As you can see, this is B1, okay, beam 1. You can see which length is 20 feet and 9 inches from center to center of each column, okay. So this is 20 feet and 9 inches, okay. Now guys, you can see this is its section, which is B1, okay. This is B1 section. So here the size of this beam is 12 inches by 15 inches. The depth is 15 inches, width is 12 inches. On the top of this floor beam we have RCC slab, which thickness is 6 inches. Now let me guide you for its steel reinforcement. This is B1 section and this is its long section, okay, because this is the beam layout plan, okay. You can see clearly length is 20 feet and 9 inches. As you can see at the bottom, and tension zone. And tension zone here guys, you can see we have 4 numbers and we have 6 number of bar, okay, 4 numbers and 6 number of bar. Next guys, you can see in upper portion we have here, you can see clearly in upper portion we have 3 bars, 2 bars at the top, okay, one is this one and this is the other one. Dia is 6 number, 2 numbers we have. Also guys, you can see we have also 2 are side bars, one is at the middle, okay. So 3 numbers, dia is 6 number, okay, exit L by 3. At the distance of L by 3 we have this one, okay. So next guys, you can see the stirrups, and the dia here the dia is 3 number at the spacing of from 5 to 8 inches, center to center distance between each stirrup, okay. So guys, this is its section and this is its layout plan. Now let me show you practically, okay. As you can see, this is B1. From this column center to this column center, the length is 20 feet and 9 inches, okay. So here guys, you can see clearly we have 4 numbers as I show you in the drawing already. So we have 4 numbers, we have 6 number of steel rod, 4 numbers of steel rods in bottom portion and 2 numbers in upper portion, guys, you can see clearly, okay. The dia is 6 number also here. As you can see, the depth is 15 inches, width is 12 inches without slab, RCC slab. Next guys, let me show you for the other section. As you can see, we have the middle bar, this is the other one, and these are 2 side bars at the distance of L by 3 as I show you in the drawing already, okay. So this is from this center to L by 3, sorry. L is the span between these 2 columns and L by 3, so total length divided by 3. So here we have 3 steel rods, 2 are side bars and this is the other bar. So we have 3 numbers and the dia is 6 number, okay. Now let me guide you for its stirrups details. So here guys, the stirrup spacing, you can see this is 8 inches after L by 3, but at the distance of L by 3 guys, you can see clearly this is 5 inches. So 5 inches and 8 inches. So these are the spacing. The dia of stirrup is here 3 number bar, guys, you can see, and the spacing is from 5 to 8 inches. So here this is L by 3, this is the column center. At the distance of L by 3 we have 3 steel rods. Again, you can't see any extra steel rods, okay, and you can see the spacing is 8 inches. On this side you can see clearly this is 5 inches, okay. So one thing is very important, they didn't provide the hooks on 135 degrees, so it should be provided on 135 degree, not on 90 degrees. So they bent it on the 90 degree. So let me show you the drawing again. Guys, you can see this is B1, okay, 20 feet and 9 inches, okay, B1 section. And you can see its section B1 as I show you. There practically 4 numbers we have at the bottom, 3 at the top, 2 are side bars and 1 is the middle bar, and upper portion 2 are side bars here at the distance of L by 3, guys, you can see at the distance of L by 3, okay. You can see 3 number bar at the rate from 5 inches to 8 inches. 5 numbers at the distance of L by 3 and 8 inches after L by 3. Okay, you can see these are the other sections for the B2. Okay, B4, B3, B5. We have a lot of beams here, and from this drawing you can get those are very important to know about how to read the drawing. So reading drawing is very important before starting the construction of steel reinforcement. So therefore I'm telling you, if you are working on a construction site, so you should remember how to read the drawing. Okay, structural drawing or architectural drawing, and then you are able to see the layout after layout planning. So steel reinforcement, everything we can get from this drawing. Okay, so guys, you can see clearly. So these are steel reinforcements. So this is B1. Okay, this is B1, and this is also the other B1. Okay, beam number 1. There is also B1. Okay, so you can see the shuttering. Okay, the joints are closed by a plastering tape. So this is very important, and these are technical terms which I'm showing you in this video. So this is very helpful for you people. As you can see, these are the other beams, which is B2. There they will provide the beam that is B2. This one is B2. Okay, and B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, each beam steel reinforcements are changed from each other according to structure load, according to the spacing, according to column size, according to a lot of things we have on the construction site. Okay, so this is very helpful to know about this. As you can see, this is the column, which is 24 by 24 inches with concrete cover. You can see the steel reinforcement. Here we have 12 numbers of steel rods. Okay, you can see this is 25 mm, 8 number bar, and you can see here 16 mm, 20 mm. Okay, they used here 60 grade steel rods in this construction. There is B2, which I have already discussed. For its size, bottom steel reinforcement, upper compression zone steel reinforcement, stirrups details, extra steel rods, and stirrups hooks I already discussed. The length of the stirrup hook should not be less than 3 inches. It's okay, but the bend is provided on 90 degree, but it should be provided on 135 degree. Hope this short video can help you. If you have any question related this construction video, so you can comments. I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.